How to manage your Hulu ads-on. You can manage your Hulu ads-on, HBO Max, and Paramount Plus with Showtime directly through your account settings on a web browser, or mobile browser as well. So you could log into Hulu on a web browser, open any browser that you have on your device, type in hulu.com. Once you do it, so you could find the first pop-up link. You tap open the Hulu app or the browser and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Hulu account, what next you need is just go to the menu or the settings section, and from the settings you want to go to account and navigate to subscription, or just scroll down to your subscription section. There you could find or select manage add-on. As you do this, you could just simply go ahead and if you want to make changes, you could simply go ahead and tap add next to the add-on you want to. And if you want to remove, you could just tap on or check mark next to the active add-on to toggle it on as well. After you've done that, you want to select review changes and tap on submit to finalize the update. So that is how you're supposed to manage Hulu ads-on. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.